It's been a little over 1 year now since I've applied this Gyeon leather shield to my Tesla Model 3. I want to give everyone an update on how this product has been working and what the current state of my white seats look like after driving this car since December of 2018, which now has 30,000 miles on it. Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Evan. Welcome to my channel. Now, when I took delivery, I did not apply any ceramic coat protectant to my white interior, which I regretted later after finding a light blue line in the rear seat from either blue jeans or possibly a rideshare passenger. After trying multiple products to help lift the stain, nothing really seemed to work. Needless to say, I learned my lesson and found out that many people apply this Gyeon leather ceramic shield to their Tesla interior, especially those with the white seats. After 1 year of not applying any protectant, I shared my experience after applying the first coat on my YouTube channel. It was extremely easy to apply, and to this day I have not one regret putting this stuff on my white seats. As you can see from the driver's seat, which is obviously the most used and prone to staining, is that after applying the ceramic coat, the seat still looks really good. You may be able to see a hint of stretching on the left side of the seat, but for the most part, I have a fairly good looking seat. Checking out the rest of the interior, the front passenger seat still appears new, and looking at the rear seats, I have no issues of any cracking, fading, or any stains. If you see my earlier video back in July of 2020, I had this blue stain in the rear seat behind the driver's side that had formed before I applied this Gyeon leather shield. I'm not sure how it just faded away or if it's just from the monthly cleanings I do, but looking at the seat now, the stain has nearly disappeared. Many of you who have commented on my video have asked how many layers of this leather shield have I applied, and if so, how often. For the most part, I vacuum and wipe down my interior and seats every month or so. I found this portable vacuum that plugs directly into the car's center console, which works best for me. I simply just leave it in my car and find that vacuuming while waiting at the supercharger works best for my time. After vacuuming, I use this lithium hyper cleanse that also stays in my Tesla. It works tremendously well to lift up stains and really keeps my interior looking white. Be sure to use a high quality microfiber towel when wiping down your seats. I'll post links for all these items I mentioned in the comments below. When reapplying the Gyeon leather shield, I typically do the driver's seat 2 times a year, so every 6 months, and the rest of the interior, like the passenger and rear seats, I apply only once a year. Also, to answer another question many of you have asked is how long does the bottle last? Well, I bought this leather shield a year ago, and I'm still nearly halfway there, even after applying multiple coats over the months. Overall, to make your cleanup process easier in the future, be sure to apply this stuff to prolong the life of your interior. I think it's a must-have product and really should be applied immediately after delivery. Again, this will not cause any fading, cracking, or stiffness in the feel of the seats. You can also check out the reviews on Amazon for those who have also applied this to their Tesla interior to back up my wording. For a more detailed instruction on how to apply this Gyeon leather shield to your Tesla, you can click on the link in my video found right here. If you are about to order your Tesla and are on the fence on which color to get, I can assure you, as long as you maintain your interior, you'll be happy you chose the white. I personally love the way it looks, especially with my AU Taylor floor mats, along with the exterior silver metallic gray color I chose. Again, this is nearly 3 years and 30,000 miles after delivery of my Tesla Model 3, and the white seats are still popping that bright white look. In a nutshell, I have no regrets choosing the white interior. Hopefully you guys found this video insightful, and if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button and subscribing for future content, I would really appreciate it. Until the next Tesla video, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.